everybody. This is going to be a quick review of my own model airplane, an A330-300 in my own custom YOLO livery. Why did I paint it like this? Well, I wanted to put a YOLO livery on it because I didn't always want to, draw the same livery over and over. And drawing a special livery of a specific airline, you have to exactly copy it. So this is, the intro. Now let's get into the video. Here we have a look at the front of the plane. As you can see, I added some cockpit windows, and they are kind of hard to see because of the purple that I put on there. If we look under here, you can see I put a little smiling face. It looks a bit weird, but it is good. And you can see the engines, which I forgot to put any exhaust on because I didn't really want to spend too much time making this model. So now let's take a look at the side. On the side, you can see the YOLO livery I put on there. I just put this on because I didn't always want the livery of an airline, like I said. As you can see, the line of purple stretches all the way to the tail and then engulfs the cockpit in purple too. I put my own registration number, November X-ray 125 Sierra, and the American flag next to it. And you can see there are one, two, three, four doors. And yeah, on the tail is just plain purple because I did not really want to do anything else, and I thought it would be kind of hard to squeeze the YOLO on the tail, so I did it in the middle of the fuselage here. And on the wing here, we have all the elevators here, but I did not, all the flaps and elevators here, but I did not decide to cut them because that would be a bit complicated. And we have our wing, whatever you call it, on an Airbus plane. Let's take a look at the back. Change the angle of my camera to get a better view of the back, but this is how it looks now. As you can see, I did not really add an APU or anything like that because I didn't feel like that would make making the back quicker. That would make it take longer. And as you can see here, I also labeled the flaps of each horizontal stabilizer, and you may see that I was a bit messy because I add a lot of the hot glue, if you see right there. And yeah, the engines are the least detailed. Okay, let's go to the other side. You can see on the bottom here, I did not cover that cardboard with white, so it's just the same how it is. And on this wing, I put the white paper on it and drew the registration number, November X-ray 125 Sierra, with the little American flag. I know it's not that proper, but that's just how it was because it was kind of small and hard to draw. Here on the back, yeah, I can see the door, but I can't see it here. I also forgot to put paper on the horizontal stabilizer so they don't look that bad. The stand might be in the way, but yeah, the engines I did really not do anything. No pylons, no exhausts, because I felt like not doing that. That would look kind of cool just with a rolled up piece of paper. I forgot to add cardboard on here. I did not add any landing gears because I thought it would look cooler in flight if I put a stand there. And yeah, I just glued a bunch of toothpicks on each other to make a good stand. And as you can see here, at the point of the smile is the gears, are the doors for the nose landing gear, and the two doors for the main landing gears. Okay, that is basically it, but before I leave, I want to tell you guys some things. Firstly, a big thank you to Aviation 350 Philippines because they have a tutorial on how to do this, and I recommend you check that out because I used his tutorial. This is my first try. His planes look much better. This is one of my first tries, and it isn't looking that well. I didn't completely follow what he did, but I just did most of it. I recommend you check it out so you can make one of these too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.